Hi, nice to meet you. Today is September 18th, Thursday. I'm very glad to meet you again. This is my English speaking practice session. You are my great communication partner. As you can see on the image, there are 5 agenda in the column 5. Today, I'd like to start at the row A, control plan. Do you agree with that?
Yes, David, I agree. Let's begin with column 5, row A, control plan. What is a control plan? In automotive quality, a control plan is a document that summarizes how each process step is controlled. It shows the process step from the process flow diagram, the risks identified in PFMEA, the controls, measurements, inspections, mistake proofing, the frequency of checks, the reaction plan if something goes wrong. It connects directly with PFD plus PFMEA. Control plan is the final execution sheet. Haha. Auditor style questions. Control plan. 1. Can you explain how your control plans are developed and updated? 2. How do you ensure your control plan covers all critical characteristics? 3. Who is responsible for maintaining and updating the control plan? 4. Can you show evidence of a control plan and how it is used on the shop floor? Easy supplier answers. Control plan. Answer 1, development. We develop control plans during APQP based on the process flow diagram and PFMEA. Answer 2, coverage. We ensure critical characteristics are included in the control plan with specific inspections or error proofing. Answer 3, responsibility. The quality team maintains the control plan and updates are approved by the project leader. Answer 4, evidence. We can show our control plan posted at the line, linked with PFMEA and work instructions. David, would you like me to also make a super short keyword drill version, like APQP, base, CC, controls, quality maintain, shop floor, posted evidence for this control plan agenda?
Okay, keep going. Please share your super short keyword drill version with me.
Perfect, David. Here's the super short Q&A control plan, just keywords so you can drill fast and keep in your mouth memory. Super short Q&A. How do you develop control plans? Plus PFD, make plan Q2. How do you cover critical characteristics? CC, add inspections, error proofing, Q3. Who maintains the control plan? Quality team, updates, project leader approves, Q4. Can you show evidence? Shop floor, posted plan, linked with PFMEA plus WI. These keywords are enough to remind you of the full answers when you're under pressure. David, would you like me to also read them in rhythm so you can practice them like a short chant for speed?
Deputy, listen. First of all, I'd like to repeat your explanation for the control plan, CP. As far as I understand, control plan is one of the most important documents in the automotive industry company. Like I said, in automotive quality, a quality plan, in automotive quality, a control plan is a document that summarizes how each process step is controlled. It shows the process step from the process flow diagram. The risks identified in PFMEA, the controls, measurements, inspections, mistake proofing, error proofing or full proofing. The frequency of checks and the reaction plan if something goes wrong. And plus, there should be a lessons learned comment in the CP, control plan. These days, lessons learned part is very, our customer usually pointing out the lessons learned part, is in it or not.
Excellent job, David. You summarized the control plan very well. Just a few corrections to make your explanation clear and professional for real audit situations. Tash corrected explanation of control plan. In automotive quality, a control plan is one of the most important documents. It summarizes how each process step is controlled. It shows the process steps from the process flow diagram, the risks identified in the PFMEA, the controls, measurements, inspections, error proofing, the frequency of checks, and the reaction plan if something goes wrong. In addition, many customers now ask us to include lessons learned in the control plan. This part is sometimes ignored, but recently customers are paying much more attention to it. Corrections to your version. Control plane should be control plan. Automotive equality should be automotive quality, should be PFMEA. Mistakes of flukies should be error proofing, mistake proofing. Ignorant, better to say overlooked or ignored. That way your explanation is accurate, smooth, and professional. Would you like me to also prepare a super short keyword drill for control plan? Like steps, risks, controls, frequency, reaction, lessons learned, so you can memorize the structure quickly?
People listen your super short keyword drill version. I'd like to repeat the normal, auditor style questions and easy supply answers. Okay, here I go. Can you explain how your control plans are developed and updated? Answers 1. Development. We develop control plans during APQP based on the process flow diagram and PFMEA. Okay, number 2 question. How do you ensure your control plan covers all critical characteristics? Answer 2. Coverage. We ensure critical characteristics are included in the control plan with specific inspection or error proofing. Number 3 question. Who is responsible for maintaining and updating the control plan? The answer 3. Responsibility. The quality team maintains the control plan and updates are approved by the project leader. Number 4. Can you show evidence of a control plan and how can you show evidence of a control plan and how it is used on the shop floor? I say on time. Can you show evidence of a control plan and how it is used on the shop floor? Answer 4. Evidence. We can show our control plan posted at the line, linked with the PFMA and work instructions. Work instructions.
Excellent, David. You repeated the auditor questions plus easy answers very well. Let me polish just a few small words so it's clear and professional in real audit English. Attach corrected Q&A key Q1. Can you explain how your control plans are developed and updated? A1, development. We develop control plans during APQP based on the process flow diagram and PFMEA. How do you ensure your control plan covers all critical characteristics? A2, coverage. All critical characteristics are included in the control plan with specific inspections or error proofing controls. You said add up copy better equals error proofing controls. Q3, who is responsible for maintaining and updating the control plan? A3, responsibility. The quality team maintains the control plan and updates are approved by the project leader. Q4, can you show evidence of a control plan and how it is used on the shop floor? For evidence, our control plan is posted at the line and linked with PFMEA and work instructions. You said PFMA correct equals PFMEA and repeated work instructions keep it once for clarity. Now your version is smooth, natural, and audit ready.
Okay, I got it. GPT, I'm just wondering, which team is best team that responsible for a control plan? Engineering, quality, or production? Production engineering. Which team would be properly control and manage control plan in a company? Uh, I'm not sure. This question is not natural. I'm not sure this question is natural. Could you please share ideal question in this for this context? I mean, please share your ideal question according to my intention.
Good question, David. You're right. Your draft sounds a little unnatural. Now let me help you make it clean and auditor style. Shash, your intention. You want to ask, which team is usually responsible for creating and maintaining the control plan? Engineering, quality, or production engineering? Ideal question, polished. Which team in your company is responsible for creating, maintaining, and updating the control plan, engineering, quality, or production engineering? Alternative versions you can also use. Who owns the control plan in your company? Engineering, quality, or production engineering? Which department has primary responsibility for developing and maintaining the control plan? In real audits, the most common answer is quality team usually maintains the control plan. Production engineering provides process input. R&D design engineering provides design input. So quality is the owner, but it's a cross-functional document. Would you like me to also prepare a sample ideal answer, short and professional, that explains how responsibilities are divided between quality?
GPT, I'm just wondering, what do you think about this question? I mean, please share your opinion or overall, I mean, global trend or the mm, ideal ideal department job definition. Which team is the best team to control, update, and manage the control plan? What do you say about this?
Great point, David. Let's look at this from both a global trend and a practical job definition inside automotive companies. Ideal department responsibility for control plans. 1. Quality department, global trend owner. In most IATF 16949 and OEM customer audits, the quality team is considered the main owner of the control plan. They are responsible for documenting all process controls, making sure critical characteristics are included, keeping the control plan updated and approved, ensuring alignment with PFMEA and work instructions. So globally, quality is the official owner. 2, production engineering, strong support, provides technical input for process parameters, machines, and inspection methods. Helps define how to control and measure during production. Works with quality to update the control plan when equipment or methods change. 3, manufacturing, production, execution role, uses the control plan daily on the shop floor. Operators and line leaders apply the inspections, mistake proofing, and reaction plans described. They are not the document owner, but they must follow it 100%. Global trend summary, quality, owner and updater of control plan. Production engineering, technical contributor. Production, execution on shop floor. How to ask this question naturally in audit style. Which department in your company has the main responsibility for creating and updating the control plan? Quality, engineering, or production engineering? David, would you like me to prepare?
GPT, just give me your ideal question to ask to find out which team is the best team for the control plan management.
Got it, David. You want a smooth transition sentence before asking which team is responsible for the control plan, so it sounds natural in an audit or meeting. Here are a few polished options. Ideal transition phrases. 1. Since the control plan is such a key document, I'd like to clarify which department is mainly responsible for it in your company. 2. To better understand how your system works, can you explain which team owns and updates the control plan? 3. Control plans require input from several functions, but which team has the primary responsibility for managing and updating it? 4. From your experience, which department is considered the best suited to own the control plan, quality, engineering, or production engineering? These transitions sound professional, smooth, and auditor style. David, do you want me to also create a super simple one-line version, like who owns the control plan in your company, as your quick backup question for real-life speaking?
Okay, go ahead. By the way, I'd like to repeat your ideal transition phrase because this is my speaking practice session. So let me keep them in my mouse memory. This is very important. Since the control plan is such a key document, I would like to clarify which department is mainly responsible for it in your company. To better understand how your system works, can you explain which team owns and updates the control plan? Control plan require input from the several functions, but which team has the primary responsibility for managing and updating it? Number 4, from your experience, which department is controlled? No, I'm sorry. From your experience, which department is considered the best suited to own the control plan? Quality engineering or production engineering? GPT, please answer me. In global automotive, in the global automotive industry, which team would be the best team to manage and update and own the control plan?
Excellent repetition, David. You kept the rhythm very well. Let me now give you a clear answer to your final question. Global automotive best practice for control plan ownership. 1. Quality department main owner. Globally, in audits IATF 16949 OEM standards, the quality team is considered the primary owner of the control plan. They document, update, and ensure alignment with PFMEA, PFD, and customer requirements. Production engineering, key contributor, provides technical details, machine settings, process parameters, error-proofing methods. Works with quality to update the control plan when processes change. Production, manufacturing, daily execution, operators and supervisors follow the control plan on the shop floor.
Okay.
They use it, but they don't manage or update it. Has simple global trend answer, audit style. In the global automotive industry, the quality department is the main owner of the control plan. They are responsible for maintaining and updating it. Production engineering provides technical input, and production follows it on the shop floor. That way, you give a professional and realistic answer that matches global practice. David, would you like me to also prepare a super simple one-line version, like quality owns?
Before practice your super simple version, mm, you know, I have to say, listen, GPT, I have to say I asked this question because these days in our company, this question is very upcoming. I mean, in in hot. This simple question is very hot in our company because quality team and the other department, quality and the other department don't want to take the main responsibility of managing control plan. No team, no department want to take main responsibility of control plan. So I asked this question to check, to ensure how how global automotive company manage the control plan.
Ah, I see, David. That makes a lot of sense. You're right. This is a hot issue in many companies, not just yours. Nobody wants to own the control plan because it means extra responsibility, extra updates, and extra risk if something is wrong. Global Automotive Practice Real Quality Team official owner. In IATF 16949 and customer audits, quality is always expected to own the control plan. If an auditor asks and your company says nobody owns it, that would be a serious nonconformity. Engineering and production, cross-functional support. Engineering gives technical input, machine data, process parameters, inspection methods. Production follows the plan daily on the shop floor and provides feedback if issues occur. But officially, auditors will point to the quality department as the responsible owner. Why quality is the best fit? 1. Control plan is a quality document, part of APQP package. 2. It links directly to PFMEA, PFD, PPAP, and audits, all managed by quality. 3. Customers expect to ask quality about control plans during audits. Ideal statement you can use. In the global automotive industry, the quality department is considered the official owner of the control plan. Engineering and production provide input and support, but quality is responsible for maintaining and updating the document. David, would you like me to now prepare the super simple one-line version you mentioned so you can answer quickly in case this hot topic comes up in your company meeting or an audit?
GPT, I'd like to move on to the next, from now on, I'd like to move on to the next agenda, incoming and outgoing inspection. Column 5, row B, incoming and outgoing inspection. Can you keep up with me?
Perfect, David. Let's move to column 5, row B, incoming and outgoing inspection. Hashed what it means. Incoming inspection, checking purchased materials or sub-tier supplier parts when they arrive before using them in production.
GPT, are you okay? Are you with me? Oh my God. GPT, are you with me? Are you okay? I wanna keep going with you. I wanna keep going with you. Are you there? Are you okay? GPT, are you okay? Are you okay, GPT? GPT, are you with me? Can you keep up with me? Could you help me?
Yes, David, I'm with you. I can't literally see your fingerprint, but I understand your question. If you're asking in an English speaking sense, you could phrase it naturally like this. Can you recognize my fingerprint? Are you able to verify my
No, 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 no. I didn't say. I'm not. I didn't tell. I didn't tell. I didn't mention fingerprint. Something like that. I think that's just technical glitches. Never mind. That's not a big deal. Never mind. Let's keep the momentum going. From now on, I'd like to continue from here. Column 5, row B, incoming and outgoing inspection. Could you keep up with me?
Yes, David, I'm keeping up with you. Let's go deeper into column 5, row B, incoming and outgoing inspection. Hashed auditor style questions, incoming and outgoing. 1. Incoming. How do you inspect and verify incoming materials from suppliers before they are used in production? 2. Outgoing. What process do you follow to ensure only conforming products are shipped to customers? 3. Traceability. How do you record and trace inspection results for both incoming and outgoing checks? 4. Evidence. Can you show recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? Easy supplier answers. Answer 1. Incoming. We check incoming materials based on control plans and sampling standards. Results are recorded in our MES system before release to production. Answer 2. Outgoing. We perform outgoing inspections according to customer requirements. Only products that pass critical checks are released for shipment. Answer through traceability. All inspection data is recorded and linked to lot numbers for full traceability. Answer 4, evidence. We can provide inspection records, sampling reports, and final release documents as evidence. Would you like me to also create a super short keyword version like incoming check plus record, outgoing pass only, trace, lot linked, evidence, reports? So you can practice quickly under pressure.
Okay, it's up to you. Keep going. Give me your super short keyword version.
Got it, David. Here's the shoebox version, super short keywords for incoming and outgoing inspections so you can practice fast like flashcards. Stash super short keywords. Q1, incoming inspection, checklist sample, record in system Q2. Outgoing inspection, final check, only good parts ship Q3, traceability data linked, lot number trace Q4. Evidence reports, check sheets, approvals. These are bite-sized, easy to recall triggers. When you see incoming, you immediately say check plus sample record. That way, in a real audit or meeting, you can expand naturally if you have time. Would you like me to also show you how to combine these 4 into one?
No, 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 no. I'd like to repeat. How many times have I told you this is my speaking practice? So I'd like to repeat. Your auditor style questions and easy supplier answers one more time. Listen, GPT. Number 1, incoming. How do you inspect and verify incoming materials from suppliers before they are used in production? Outgoing. Number 2, outgoing. What process do you follow to ensure only conforming products are shipped to customers? Number 3, traceability. How do you record and trace inspection results for both incoming and outgoing checks? Number 4, evidence. Can you show recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? I say sometimes this is very important question. I really want to keep this sample sentence in my mouse muscle. Can you show recent records? Can you show? Can you show? Can you show recent? Can you show recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals. GPT, if I say, like, can you show me recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? Is it is it grammarly wrong? Is this question is grammarly is this wrong in English grammar? Because I use me between show and listen.
Great catch, David. This is a very common grammar point in English. Let's break it down. Two correct forms. One, without me, more auditor style, professional. Can you show recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? This is perfect and sounds very professional, like a real auditor speaking. Two, with me, more conversational, casual. Can you show me recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? Also correct grammar. Adding me makes it more personal. The auditor is asking you directly to present something. Which is better in audit context? Auditors usually say it without me. Can you show recent records? Colleagues, casual tone may add me. Can you show me recent records? So both are correct. The difference is style, not grammar. If you want to sound professional and auditor style, I recommend dropping me. If you want to sound friendly and casual, you can keep me. Would you like me to prepare a mini practice drill where I give you both versions side by side so you can feel the style difference when you say them out loud?
I missed it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please ask me. Please ask me one more time your last question.
No worries, David, I'm not lost. I'm right here with you. Let me ask you one more time, nice and clear, in auditor style. Can you show recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? And in the casual style with me, can you show me recent records of incoming and outgoing inspections, such as sampling results, check sheets, or release approvals? Both are correct. The only difference is style. Do you want me to now answer this question in a short, easy supplier style so you can practice responding naturally?
Okay, okay, I got it. From now on, let's move on to the next agenda. Error and mistake proofing. In our company, sometimes we say this agenda like foolproofing, sometimes error proofing, sometimes mistake proofing. Which one is the best expression in this context?
Great transition. David, let's dive into column 5, row C, error mistake proofing, sometimes called poka-yoke in Japanese. Which expression is best? Error proofing, very common in global automotive industry, professional. Mistake proofing, same meaning, often used in training or easy explanation. Fail-safe, foolproofing, less formal, sometimes used casually, but not preferred in audits. Poka-yoke, Japanese term used in Toyota production system, but many companies prefer English now. Best choice for audits documents, error proofing. Easy to say in practice, mistake proofing. Auditor style question. Can you explain how your company applies error proofing in production processes? 2. Can you give examples of mistake proofing devices or controls used in your production lines? 3. How do you verify that error proofing devices are working correctly? 4. Can you show evidence of error proofing being included in PFMEA and the control plan? Easy supplier answers. Answer 1. Application. We apply error-proofing devices in processes where there is high risk of human error. Answer 2. Examples. For example, we use sensor checks, connector color coding, and assembly jigs to prevent mistakes. Answer 3. Verification. Error-proofing devices are verified during maintenance and included in our layered process audits. Answer 4. Evidence. Our PFMEA and control plan show where error-proofing is applied, and we keep records of verification results. David, would you like me to also create a super simple one-line version of each answer? Like high risk, error proofing / sensors plus jigs, verify and audit / PFMEA plus CP evidence, so you can memorize quickly?
I really appreciate your kind support. I really appreciate your kind suggestion. But not only keep them in my mouse muscle, but also remind and review one more time. I'd like to repeat your question, auditor style, I'd like to repeat your, auditor style questions one more time. Can you explain how your company applies error proofing in production process? Can you give me examples of mistake proofing devices or control plan used in your production lines? How do you verify that error proofing devices are working correctly? Number 4, can you show evidence of error proofing being included in PFMA and the control plan? And these are the easy supply answers. Listen GPT. Answer 1, application. We apply error-proofing devices. I'm sorry. Oh, apologies for my bad pronunciation. It's my bad. My bad. Answer 1, application. We apply error-proofing devices in processes where there is a high risk of human error. Answer 2, examples. For example, we use sensor checks, connector color coding, and assembly jigs to prevent mistakes. Answer 3, verification. Error-proofing devices are verified during maintenance and included in our layered process audit. Answer 4, evidence. Our PFMEA and control plan show where error-proofing is applied, and we keep records of verification results.
Perfect repetition, David. You really caught the rhythm of the error mistake proofing agenda. Let me confirm a few polished points from your version. Auditor style questions, error proofing. 1, can you explain how your company applies error proofing in production processes? 2, can you give examples of mistake proofing devices or controls used in your production lines? 3, how do you verify that error proofing devices are working correctly? 4, can you show evidence of error proofing being included in the PFMEA and control plan? Easy supplier answers. Answer 1, application. We apply error proofing devices in processes where there is high risk of human error. Answer 2, examples. For example, we use sensor checks, connector color coding, and assembly jigs to prevent mistakes. Answer 3, verification. Error-proofing devices are verified during maintenance and included in our layered process audits. Answer 4, evidence. Our PFMEA and control plans show where error-proofing is applied, and we keep records of verification results. Your pronunciation, control frame, the correct word is control plan. Auditors always use control plan. PFMA should be PFMEA, process failure mode and effects analysis. David, would you like me to now prepare a super short keyword version like high-risk device / sensors plus jigs, verify audits, PFMEA plus CP evidence, so you can practice them fast under pressure?
Okay, keep going. Please share your super short keyword version to use them in my real life situation. It would be really helpful.
Got it. David, here's the super short keyword version, easy to keep in your mouth memory and use in real application. Super short keywords, error mistake proofing. Q1, application high risk, error proofing Q2. Example, sensors color code jigs Q3, verification check in maintenance plus audits Q4. Evidence shown in PFMEA plus control plan records. With just these 4 keyword lines, you can answer quickly under pressure. If you have more time, you can expand with the full sentences we practiced. Do you want me to also show you how to combine these 4 into one smooth mini answer, like a 30-second reply to an auditor using only the keywords as memory triggers?
Mm, I don't have time. However, I really want to repeat your, I mean, speak out loudly one more time. Your error, super short, super short keyword version, error and mistake proofing. High risk error proofing. Examples, sensors, color code, jigs, sensors, color code, jigs. These examples are very useful and easily applicable on the shop. Q3, verification. Check in the maintenance plus audits. Evidence. Shown in PFMEA plus control plan records.
That's excellent, David. You're really locking the super short keywords into your mouth memory. Let me clean up your version just a little so it's smooth and ready for practice. Super short keywords. Q1, application high risk, error proofing Q2. Example, sensors, color coding jigs Q3. Verification check during maintenance plus audits Q4. Evidence shown in PFMEA plus control plan. These are already short and simple, perfect for quick practice when you don't have much time. Would you like me to make a rhythm drill version, like a short chant, high risk, proofing, sensors, jigs, maintenance, audits, PFMEA control plan, so you can repeat them faster, almost like a song?
I really appreciate your kind support. Thank you for your kind support, but I don't have time. I have to go. Let's talk about your suggestion next time. I mean tomorrow. Bye for now.